What is up, guys? It's Mike here, and today we just got a brand new package from the monsterjam Superstore. It's been a while since we got a package from them. Can't wait to see what's inside and how these trucks look. Alright, so this package took a little time to get here. This should be, hopefully, the Halloween Son of a Digger truck. Yeah, I don't know what to call it. I guess Halloween version of Son of a Digger. Truck is actually really cool looking. I like the paint on it from what I was able to see online and everything. Now, the last trucks I got from the Superstore, I believe it was the 4th of July truck, which it was a couple months ago. Honestly, I think it was one of the last videos I made before we actually went on a little break. Now, I did go on a little break. Some videos may have came out before this one, depending when these trucks got here. But, yeah, we're back, and, you know, it's always good to have that mental kind of refresh, just take a break from everything and just kind of, you know, recharge, if you will. But yeah, we're back, we're making videos, and we're going to kick this video off with these monsterjam Superstore exclusive trucks. Now, I usually end up getting a case of these, and from my previous videos and my previous experience, if you get a whole case of the trucks, they actually come with the cards very nice. Maybe 2 of them or 3 of them might be a little bent, but chances are a lot of them have really good conditions on the card art or the card packaging. Now, I totally forgot how many I got. I think I got 5 or 6. I always try to keep it around 5 or 6, and the reason I do that is because, as you guys know, I keep one for myself in my personal collection that has the best card, and then I open one, and then the other 3 I usually either give away, trade, or something. I don't know. They're always kind of just sitting there chilling. So these actually came on Sunday with FedEx. Today, as I'm filming this is honestly, I think it's Thursday. So it's been a while, and this box has actually been sitting in the laundry room here for a little bit of time, just because things have been so busy here lately. But yeah, we're gonna crack this thing open here. We're gonna see what's up, and hopefully we got, I think, 5 of them. I'm not too sure. I really don't remember. So one thing I'm hoping here is I really hope the monsterjam Superstore packed these very well. Alright, and here we go. So, you got your little plastic bubble that is kind of deflated, so that's pretty cool. Good vibes right off the bat. You got 2 of them. And here is the paperwork. So, I just want to see how many I actually got. And it looks like I got 6 of them. And I ordered these bad boys on October 30th. Well, October 29th. And they came November 14th-ish, about. So, not that bad. I got 6, and I mean, for the price, I know some people can't afford 6, but that's okay. I mean, I know people just buy them by the cases. But here we go. The paper's out, and if you guys want to look in the box to see what I'm seeing so you guys can see how they are packed, pretty decent. Not that bad. I mean, I've seen it much worse from the Superstore. It looks like the card art might be fine here. So let's take these bad boys out one at one, or one by one, and actually see how the card art is, and hopefully the cards aren't bent. So here is the first truck, and a very cool looking truck nonetheless. There it is, Son of a Digger, the Halloween limited edition, 1 of 5,000. Very nicely packaged. I love this. As you guys know, Halloween is my favorite time of the year, and I really love this card art. This is actually really sick. I honestly think the Halloween trucks are my favorite ones from Spinmaster. Pirate's Curse, that one, the glow-in-the-dark one, was pretty cool. This one, I really like this. Last year we had the Vampire Mohawk Warrior, and that was pretty cool in its own unique way. But I like this Son of a Digger. I really like what they did with the pumpkins on the side, and I can't wait to review this truck. Card art's amazing. Looking at the back, right here you got a little piece of tape, but that's fine. And I really like this. This is pretty cool. I like what they did with the Son of a Digger logo. I love that pumpkin skull. That is pretty cool. And of course you got basically the paragraph on the back here. as I'm just scanning it over. So basically it's just giving you a rundown of the Halloween truck and Son of a Digger, which is pretty cool. This was actually a weird, I would never guess Son of a Digger would be a Halloween exclusive truck, you know? So kind of weird here. I mean, I wasn't expecting. And we got our first card that is a little bent. Now, to me personally, something like this isn't a big deal, how it's on the bottom corner like that. A lot of people do freak out with stuff like that, and I understand. But so far, this is the worst one, but the truck looks amazing. I always wonder if I'll end up getting one of these trucks, and one's like an era, you know? Like, how cool would that be? Here's another one. For the most part, the cards aren't bent, but they are a little beat up. So the first one so far is the best. This one, as you can tell on the sides, it's a little scraped up. That's okay. And what I do too is when I open these and everything, the worst card art, like if the card is completely bent, that is the one I'm actually going to open. So this one looks to be in very good shape. Man, this truck looks cool, man. I really love the purple. The purple flames with the orange. Those pumpkins really make it. A little bent down here, but not that big of a deal. Put him to the side. So that is 4. We got 2 more left. Usually the ones on the bottom are the ones that are kind of beat up the most. And as you can tell right here, this one did get bent a little bit. But not bad. Overall, pretty decent. I'm starting to see the Monster Jam Superstore get a little bit better with the packaging here. They're not really kind of just throwing them in boxes anymore. And this one is... okay, this one's in good shape. Okay, cool. So we got 2 really good shape Son of a Digger Halloween trucks, limited edition, 1 of 5,000. Now, I know I might be a little bit late on this video due to when the shipment came and everything, but as you guys can tell, we did get 6 of them here, and I am definitely going to keep this one for myself, and I'm probably going to open the worst one, which was either this one. Let's just put these in some order here. Okay, so these are the 2 best ones back here. These 2 are good, and these 2 I will be opening, or one of them I will be opening, and the other 3 probably give them away or something. We'll see what happens here, but yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys got this truck. It's a really cool truck. I honestly did not expect it to be Son of a Digger for Halloween. When you think of Halloween, one truck a lot of people want, and myself included, is the Halloween Gravedigger that Hot Wheels made. If Spinmaster can do something like that eventually down the line, or maybe just a random release in like Mix 23 or something next year, that'd be kind of cool. It'd be kind of different. It'd be cool to see that truck back, but I really love how this thing has the pumpkin for the skull. That is pretty cool. But really cool, awesome truck. Nice limited edition Son of a Digger. I don't think Son of a Digger has had a limited edition truck yet. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, I can't wait to see what's going to be for Christmas, because there's already some pictures of like a Santa sleigh truck or something like that. So I cannot wait. Spinmaster knocking it out of the ballpark once again. Now, if only Walmart and stuff can get, you know, Mix 18 and 19 and all that stuff by me, that'd be great. But, yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys got this truck. Really cool design, really awesome. And let me know what you guys think about it. If you guys were happy that the Halloween truck for 2021 was Son of a Digger, or if you guys were expecting something else, like a skeleton Megalodon or something like off the wall that we've never seen yet. But with that being said, guys, more videos will be dropping out soon, and like I said, these 2 back here are mine. Well, the one definitely is. This one I'm probably going to open and review in the next video, and I got 3 of them. So if you guys need them, you guys want to trade, you guys want, or you're just collecting, you can't get this truck because a lot of you guys can't get it, let me know in the comments. I'm always willing to help out people in the community, and I shall see you guys very shortly in another video very soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. Helps out so much.